in the refrigerator. Who puts
acorns? He did put my acorns in the bottom of the fridge.
Well, that's because he don't know. We just got back from our local farmer's market. I cannot believe it. You guys are going to be so proud of me. Olivia has her temps, and never in my life have I driven with any of my kids with their temps. And there's going to be a couple of them that's a little ticked off, but I was forced to drive with her today. Felt bad because she had the little puppy dog eyes. You know how that goes. But I drove with her and she done pretty good. I was pretty proud of myself because, I mean, I really thought that you guys were never going to see me again because I thought I was going to have a heart attack. Not because of her driving, but because I got to be in control at all times behind the wheel. But she done really well, so I'm super proud of her. I'm super proud of myself for being able to withstand that. But I got a lot of corn today. I got a dozen of corn because today we are going to do a nice comfort food type dinner. I'm super excited. I'm super hungry right now, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to wait until then. But I got a dozen of corn. I'm going to cut some corn off the cob. I'm going to make some make a meatloaf. I don't even know what's going on. Gonna make a meatloaf, corn on the cob, green beans, some homemade macaroni and cheese. If you haven't watched that video of the homemade macaroni and cheese, you need to watch it because that stuff is killer. It is the best. You won't need any other recipe for macaroni and cheese other than that. Let's just eat.
Like they're cutting a piece of birthday cake.
How else am I supposed to cut it?
In slices?
That is a slice.
No, that's like a hunk.
You're
Say it.
Randy, you forgot the green beans.
No, I didn't.
Love you, bro.
I'll eat your portion.
Go ahead, thank you. That's why you have kids, right there. Take care of you. I can see them say, Dad, I got your portion.
Man, I didn't get none.
You didn't get no green beans?
No.
You better get some green beans. You better stop talking about green beans. See, I told you guys he doesn't like green beans.
Back.
Come on, man. Can't you go faster than that?
Hey, you got me a...
You gonna get you another plate?
I'm using the wrong side of the spoon, too.
Yeah.
I need another plate.
Oh, Lord. Lighting is terrible in here.
Yeah, just kind of flopped it on the plate.
I can't even see. Look at that home shucked corn. That's killer.